really good people? It's your brother-in-law Triple O, aka Mr. Keep Breathing, and you are locked into GL360 TV. Peace.
I'll come back to you. What are you guys do, yeah? Listen. I'm a lady with a flat line, this is about time, about time. I'm more breathing, like less sympathetic to me, but I don't need, so I don't need, feel to keep breathing. Like giving to find the beginning of time. Sin took it away, now I'm living a lie. My heart cries on the inside, every time I hope the light inside, every single day. Let's rest in the road from the great by himself. So I can't open myself, see into myself, the set see, but I do see this inside, the intel, the word I read to tell. Now we're all gone for forever, can't breathe. And we know the limit, to see 909 can't limit. I'm desperate for that, hey, I'm gonna try to be, hey, look, I wanna hold you close, look, I wanna hold you so close, I wanna hold you so close, hey, 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 you keep me alive, like through my pain, the kids of life, like you said, I'm holding you close, hey, hey, listen, hard time to make that machine, know you only want to give me, never deliver me, I'm gonna give you see me can't breathe, when I'm looking for a resuscitation, but I believe, now the sound of my soul goes, you will never leave me, shout out to Timothy, but I really need to keep hearing the beat, your lips will wake me from sleep, I'm alive with death, I didn't cheat, no doubt, to be able to redeem the heart that was CG, better believe you do see, you're 1 in a million, you like the elegant, the dose of my winners, I'm raising you, urgently, I'm desperate for air, I want to breathe, God holding you close, I wanna hold you so close, hey, 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 you keep me alive, like through my pain, the kids of life. The week is getting cold, my eyes are starting to close. I think you like this is the end, cause I'm not ready to go. Oh, need you to take control. Come to my rescue, cause the week is getting cold, my eyes are starting to close. I think you like this is the end, cause I'm not ready to go. Won't you take control? I'm desperate for air, I want to breathe. Look, holding you close. Look, I wanna hold you so close. Look, I wanna hold you so close. Look, I wanna hold you so close. You keep me alive. Hey, the kids of life. Now I can stop again.
Hi guys, outside with none other than Triple O.
Yeah, what's kind of people? I'm here.
What's going on?
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm good. Tired, but all is well. Excited.
2 days.
Yeah, but probably by those who are watching this, by the time some people see this, will be out. So yeah, iTunes, Triple O, Flatline, go get that. I'm excited.
Alright, so what are you expecting Christians and non-Christians to get, like, to receive from your album?
From the project, I want people to, number one, have an appreciation for music. Because there's so much on that project, it's going to be, I think it's going to be one of those projects where you will have individuals that will like the whole project as a whole, but it's one of those things you have, I know people like selective tracks and they will, you know, other ones may not be their tone, but I want to have an appreciation for music, number one, and also have an understanding of who we are as individuals in light of the gospel and what Jesus did and what that means for us. So that's basically what I want people to kind of grab from the project.
Okay. Now you're known, and J-Man said earlier, you're known to have like a strong scriptural base and in-depth knowledge. Yes, well, his words, other people's words. You're known for that. So why music as a platform as opposed to like preaching, for example?
I think it's one of those things where I think the music is always going to... Do you know what it is with music, yeah? Music can get me and people in general into arenas that pastors and preachers may not be able to get into. I'm not saying that they can't. But with the music, it's like, all right, cool, this guy's a musician. Oh yeah, let's give him the, you know, the set. He comes with the set. If it's something in between, or even if it's the actual content of the song, people will hear that and be like, okay, cool. People who may not go to church, or people who are in church but find it difficult to receive from the words. You see more and more these days in Christian music, especially Christian rap and Christian hip hop. There's a lot more teaching going on, and I've heard so many testimonies, and I'm an individual who can testify to it as well. I've learned so much about the Christian faith from music, or in music per se. So I think it's an opportunity for artists just to get into avenues and arenas that they wouldn't be able to get to if they weren't doing music.
All right. So since this is the ignition, it would be sort of wrong for me not to ask, what are you reading at the moment that ignites the fire in you?
What am I reading at the moment? I think of recent, especially of recent, in the build up to the album. The album is based on Psalm 73, verse 26, where it says, "My flesh may fail me, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever." So I took some time out in preparation for the album, just kind of meditating on that psalm, and in its context, Psalm 73, and some of the other psalms as well. And one thing that I like, because obviously we know that David wrote the psalms, and one thing that really kind of struck me about the way that David wrote, he was very honest and very real. He knew that he had issues with his heart in the sense of emotions, feelings, and then obviously circumstances and situations, but he was always able to convey that to the Lord. I think sometimes when we go through certain things, we feel like, okay, God, I'll tell you when I want something, but when I'm going through something, I'll handle it. But when David wrote, it was like, okay, God, I'm going to lay it all on the table, and this is what's going through. This was going from my mind. This was going from my heart. Look, so like, you do what you need to do. But in the midst of all of that, he was still able to say, okay, Lord, you know, you're still actually God, and that will never change. So that's what's kind of been, you know, some of the psalms, Psalm 73 in particular, but just a few of the psalms here and there, just kind of encouraging myself to kind of continue going and meditating on the scriptures, regardless of what I'm going through.
Alright, so how, for those who don't know how to get hold of you, how to get their hands on the album, how can they?
First of all, for the album, go to iTunes, type in JayLow, it'll be there. Flatline will be there on iTunes. And if you want to get in contact with me, very simple, go to the website, www.triplowuk.com. That's www.triplowuk.com. And everything is there, MySpace, Facebook, Twitter, the iPhone app, the JayLow iPhone app. All of that there is also on the website, so just go to the website and be able to find me there.
Alright, Roxy, JayLow signing out.
Music that is beautiful, never empty, very full, it's never become Everybody, this is a battle cry. Oh, no, wait, no longer will I cry. Why? Because I know that the Lord is able to supply. So try, pressures of life, if you want. I'll keep standing to the very end, and it all begins when it's in the end. But when the ribbon is in the back, and the time is on the arm. Yeah, I don't really want to be with my number, and then it was go away, go afraid of the way you gave me. I said I'm in it to win it. I said and you ain't never gonna. It's not keep on running, I'm gonna. I said I'm in it to win it. I said I'm in it. I said, and you ain't never gonna. It's not keep on running, I'm gonna. Many are the afflictions of he who is a righteous man. Of the same man who gets delivered from the law. If God is my refuge and strength, my very present help, then he will never leave me. Even when I fall, come home, he makes I told you that it's not to take his toll. If this walk was really easy, then this walk would be a listen to what I'm talking to me when I get give me faith to take a this is the man who's faithful with his university. I'm sure no certainty. You need your God to believe in it. The years to the people. This here goes like I'm again. Situations come over and get it settled. Go ahead and never get to settle. The version that gets in. For your shortest. Life was a gift for your shortest. Keep purpose for your good. To get to work I enjoy it. Persevere and enjoy it. Pride kills and be enjoyed it. But I'm never kill it. Since sick way came to kill it. I said I'm here to win. 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 And you ain't never gonna hold me down. It's like you were running, I'm gonna. I said I'm here to win. I said I'm here to win. I said I'm here to win. And you ain't never gonna hold me down. Running, I'm gonna. Do I remind you that it is a mind? Everybody is a mind. It's time to divide. I will each time to climb. I never will ever die. I wasn't designed to find myself again. I'm going up and down in the world. I was at it. Turn away from the pirates in that firm. I live this track sounds like I'm boasting. Understand this Christ the King, I only boasting. Hosting. So when I'm down, I trust in the whole thing. God, when I'm born in, but I will never quit looking like I've been hosting. Twin, I'm only in it to win. I said I'm 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 in it to win. And you ain't gonna hold me down. It's like you were running, I'm gonna hold my ground. I said I'm in it to win. 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 And you ain't gonna hold me down. It's like you were running, I'm gonna hold my ground. So cross the finish line. Cross the finish line. Cross the finish line. Cross the finish line. We cross the finish line. Cross the finish line. Cross the finish line. We cross the finish line. I said I'm in it to win it. I said I'm in it to win it. I said I'm in it to win it. And you ain't ever gonna hold me. As I keep on running, I'm gonna hold my. I said I'm in it to win it. I said and you ain't ever gonna. As I keep on running, I'm gonna.